Alright, so we got our snowblower tire. 15 by 5 by 6 Carlisle. Did the old tie down trick. Sprayed some degreaser. And we definitely got some cracks. And we got some leaks. So it looks like we'll be getting some new tires. So one wheel on, one wheel off. The other wheel is stuck on the shaft. So I gotta worry about getting that off before I can replace them. So this wheel here kind of froze on. We're just gonna leave it for tomorrow and attempt it another day. The other wheel's off, and we know that that one leaks. I'm sure this one's gonna be the same way. There's both of them that lost air, and they got a pretty good amount of cracks all over them. Work in progress. Alright, we're going to try the gap and crack filler for tires. Alright, so we did the snowblower tire with great stuff, gaps and cracks. Picked it up at Lowe's. It was like $4 a can. Put 2 cans in. So basically I did the tires on the machine, and I filled this one, put a couple holes in the top. Still seems to be a little bit of give, but the sidewalls are tough. Same thing with the other tire. Did that side, couple holes, and so far so good. So I think they're going to have a little bit of play in them, which will be good. They're not super hard. I can always add more, but I think it'll work. And these tires are pretty beat with all kinds of cracks and stuff, so work in progress. We'll see what happens. If we need to, we can add more.